Class 8 Standard Subject English Unit 4 4.5 Festivals of Northeast India. Warming up, chit chat, activity. Question 1. Do you like to celebrate festivals? Answer is yes. I like every festival celebrated in Maharashtra. Question 2. Why do you enjoy fairs and festivals? Answer is because they are all fun. We wear new dresses, eat sweets, buy new things we like, and meet friends and relatives. Question 3. What are the different festivals celebrated in our state? Answer is Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dussehra, Holi, Gudi Padwa, Sankrant, Ramzan Eid, Christmas. Question 4. Do you know festivals which are celebrated in our states? Answer is yes, I know some festivals celebrated in other states. They are Baisakhi in Punjab, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Onam in Kerala. Question 5. What is the relation between seasons and festivals? Answer is the festivals are related with harvesting and sowing seasons and based on the agriculture activities of the farmers of the states. Question 1. Write why the following festivals are celebrated. Festival is Diwali. Answer. It marks Lord Krishna's triumph over Narkasur. People worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, for future prosperity. Second festival is Holi. Answer is it signifies the victory of good over evil. It also related to the great devotee Prahlad who worship Lord Vishnu. It is a spring festival held on full moon day of Falgun in March or April. Festival is Ramzan. Answer is it is the holy month for Muslims. The festival Eid ul Fitr is celebrated after fasting the whole month of Ramzan. Dussehra. Answer is this festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram's victory over Ravan. It signifies the victory of good over evil. Christmas. Answer is this festival is celebrated on 25th December as of the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. Pongal. Answer is Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in the beginning of the harvesting season. Question 2. Write down any five features that are common to all festival celebration. Answer is 1. Meeting friends and relatives. Second, enjoyment, new dresses and food. Third, music, dance in most of the festivals. Four, expressing religious sentiments. And five, safeguarding culture heritage. Question 3. Frame words related to the following topics as per instructions. Related verbs. Word is festivals. First verb is celebrate. Second, enjoy. Third, decorate. Fourth, dance. Fifth, sing. Related adjectives. Word is music. First, classical. Second, soft. Third, pop. Fourth, loud. Fifth, folk. Related nouns. Word is dance. Rhythm, steps, costumes, forms, and last, dancer.